Good morning, everyone. Back down by the river. See, somebody came down here and started cleaning up stuff, sort of. They came up here and pulled out a bunch of needles and stuff like that, but poor Homer. Even when dead, he's still yellow. Well, certainly ain't as much shit that was down here before, but a lot of it got washed away. We'll see how much we can get out of here in about a 2-hour window, so I'll start from the edge and work my way back. Hopefully this river stays down over the weekend and I can get the rest of this out of here. Fingers are crossed anyways. Gonna end up having to walk down that creek when the water lowers and pick everything up that didn't make it to the ocean. Sure, there'll be chunks and pieces all over the place. But at least all of it didn't wash into the river. Anyways, here by myself, so we're off chatting. I got shit to do. I'll shoot a video, show you what I got done after, and we'll take care of the rest of it tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Have a good one, people.